and welcome to Lulu University. This week we will be talking about self-publishing for visual artists. So if you're a visual artist, it's all for you. As an artist, you're a one-man band, and you have to take a direct and active role in your marketing and reaching new customers. Creating a book of your work can be a great way to do that and can act as a business card in an industry where you typically don't see those. So you meet a new customer, a new potential customer, and you give them your name, and you can hope that they will go home and they'll Google you, and they probably really want to, but they get online and the Kardashians have done something crazy, or the Royals just had their new baby, and then they forget all about it. So cut all that out and leave them with something that they can take home and remember you by. So creating a small pocket-sized book of your artwork, or your drawings, or your illustrations, or whatever you're working on, can be a really great way to leave them with the work that you're actually doing and show them what you can do and keep you top of mind as they move throughout their day. Another great way to get more eyes on your work is to create a really high quality hardcover book. So a really cool idea here is to create this beautiful book and then go meet some small business owners, coffee shops, hotels, different restaurants, bakeries, places where people are going to go and kind of hang out. See if you can leave their books there and leave them there permanently so that people coming in for their coffee will also see your work and can be introduced to what you do that way. Seeing your work in this format will let people know that you're a big deal and they should take you seriously. Another great way to kind of expand your portfolio and get new eyes on your artwork is to create a coloring book from your work. So we see a lot of people that come to Lulu to create coloring books for adults and children, and just offering your work in a different format like that can expose you to new customers and help you get your work in the hands of more people. Not only can publishing a book lead to more sales of your art, but creating a book is also its own stream of revenue. So if you publish a book yearly or quarterly of the projects you're working on, that can just serve as a passive revenue stream as you're working on other art projects. Buying art can be a big and expensive decision to make. I mean, we all love art, but not all of us have thousands of dollars to fund you and your artwork, although we all want to because it's great. But a lot of people can afford a $40 book, a really high quality book, as opposed to maybe a $1,000 canvas. So keep in mind that there are people that want to support you, but maybe they aren't able to currently. So offering different formats and making your artwork available in different ways is going to help you expand your audience and raise more revenue. You're an artist, and obviously you're working very, very hard to make sure the work that you're creating is perfect. So you don't want to just hand it off to somebody who's going to slap it on a page and send it out the door. You want to make sure that the quality matches the quality standards that you hold yourself to. So at Lulu, we hold our global network of printers to a very rigorous quality standard. So as an artist, you can rest assured that your brand will be well represented with our high quality books that we create. If you're still not sure how self-publishing can work for you, then I encourage you to go to lulu.com and you can browse our enormous bookstore. We've got a ton of artists who use us for photo books, coloring books, lookbooks, and I encourage you to check them out. Be sure to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.